Puppy just kissed the camera. Good morning, everyone. I thought it would be fun to take you guys along through our day again to show what activities Ellie and I do throughout the day, how to entertain your 1-year-old, how to get them to entertain themselves. We already had breakfast and got ready, and while I got ready, Ellie was in the bathroom with me and I gave her little things to play with, and I also turned on some YouTube videos. Some of them were from Freedom Kids. I love that YouTube channel. So anyways, here we are, and I will show you activities that we do throughout the day when we are just home, and maybe this will give you guys some ideas of what you can do with your 1-year-old to keep them busy. So I already have this big plastic container, just put a bunch of rice in here and some measuring spoons and cups. And she also loves to bring in her other toys as well. Yeah, she just loves this. Hey Ellie, do you want to help Mama clean the kitchen real quick? You do? Okay, let's go. This is a really fun activity for her. So this is a really fun activity for Ellie. She loves to help me in the kitchen. Mainly she loves playing in the water. And so while I'm getting dishes in the dishwasher, she'll just kind of play in the water or drink it like what she's doing right now. Are you thirsty? Oh, go get your water. And so this kind of keeps her busy while I do dishes, because I have found that sometimes when I try to do dishes or load the dishwasher, she is climbing into the dishwasher with the dirty dishes. I'm like, stop! And she's just into everything sometimes. And so this is a way that I can get her to have an activity, do kind of what I'm doing, just kind of keep her busy while I get stuff done that I need to get done, but it's also a fun activity for her. Kids love to play in water. Sometimes there is kind of a water mess below us, but we just wipe that up afterwards. But yeah, she loves this. Do you want to play with your water beads, the little balls? You want to play with the little balls? Okay, well we need to clean up your rice. You want to help Mama? Let's clean up your rice. So this next activity, we are using water beads. They have shrunk a bit because we've had them out for a while, so they're slowly shrinking. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And I watch Ellie very, very closely because I do not want her to put these in her mouth, and she is learning that, and she's getting to be pretty good at just transferring these balls and playing nicely in them. And if they do roll away, go get it. All right, let's put it in here. Yeah, there we go. Woohoo! Let's try to fill this up. She also likes dumping it. She loves these balls, and they're so much fun to touch. It's a great sensory activity. They're just like filled with water. Good job. Almost. telling them that. Oh, you kissed the camera. Tink, tink. Do you want to listen to music? Do you want to dance? Okay, let's do it and then we'll have lunch. Mwah. Look at your wiggles out. Now we're having lunch. I'm having soup. Ellie's having avocado and some mac and cheese. And don't worry, she's not gonna eat all that. I'll just eat whatever she doesn't. But somebody's looking a little sleepy. I just put Ellie down for her nap, and so now I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then steam some carrots in the Instant Pot and make some banana egg pancakes, which how you make that is just take 1 banana and 2 eggs, or 2 bananas and 4 eggs, and you blend them up and then fry them and make them into pancakes. I just fry mine in coconut oil. That is a great snack or breakfast idea for toddlers, babies, baby-led weaning, that type of thing. So I'll go ahead and do that and I'll show you guys the end result. So this is my setup, cooking over here and working over here. I love nap time. Well, little Bink Bink is up. That lasted only an hour. And look at all of these yummy pancakes. And now we're gonna clean up this mess and then we're gonna go outside and play. All right, let's go outside. Are you throwing the helicopter? Airplane. The little strawberries. Oh wow! So we're back inside, hands washed. Ellie's eating another little snack, some crackers and cheese. She didn't really have that much when she woke up, so. And I'll go ahead and get dinner started. It is an Instant Pot creamy garlic parmesan chicken with noodles, I think is the whole name of it. So I'll show you guys how I make that. And Ellie just wanted to be held the whole time, so we turned on Elmo. So this is keeping her busy. We did have this little activity on the floor, but she she wasn't really having it and just wanted me to hold her. So I turned on Elmo as last resort. So after sauteing both sides, the chicken was still pink in the middle, but I chopped that up into little pieces, added some chopped onion, 4 cups of chicken broth, and then it calls for 2 cups of pasta, and I got this brown rice pasta. And once I've added the broth and the pasta, I close the Instant Pot, set it to sealing, and we're gonna pressure cook for 3 minutes. And then it'll be done. And we'll add the rest of our ingredients. All right, Ellie, it's done cooking. Started on that while I finish the Instant Pot. Ooh, there it is. And then I'm just adding 1/4 cup of heavy cream. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of butter, but that's kind of a lot of butter and cream, so I'm just doing 1 tablespoon of butter. And this is 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese, but I only need half of this, so just 3 ounces. And then stir it all up. I'll have some veggies and fruit too, but I want to get started on this. And once Ellie finishes her green beans and black beans, I'll give her some of this chicken noodle stuff. Clap, clap, clap. So Ellie is already undressing, so we're gonna go ahead and do a quick bubble bath, and then we'll vacuum, play something together, and then it is time for her to go to bed. Mom? You went in a little bit? Can you touch the shoes? Yay! Yay! There's the fish. Okay, where's the corn? Yay! So what Ellie and I were doing, these are touch and feel picture cards called My First Words. And I got these off of Amazon, and these are kind of nice because they're really nice pictures with the word, and then they can touch. There's like different textures on each card. And I like to tell her, whoa! Okay, somebody's getting tired, I'm gonna go night-night. But basically, I tell her what the cards are, and then I ask her to tell me what they are, and sometimes she's able to say, tonight I think she's tired. And then I lay like 4 out at the same time, and then I have her pick, okay, where's the cat? Bring mama the cat, or bring mama the ball. And it's just a fun little game to play with her, but now I think she's getting real sleepy. So it's time to go night-night. Pick out a book. And now she she's hiding in her corner because she doesn't want to go night-night. Ellie, you want to put Puppy and Bunny to night-night? Want to read the Noisy Farm? You read that one? Oh, escape! So I just wait here and she comes back. Alright, come here. I got you. Mama! So I just laid Eliana down to go to sleep, and I'm just gonna vacuum the kitchen real quick, get my shower. But I wanted to pop on and just say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys got some good activity ideas for a 1-year-old, or in Ellie's case, a 1.5-year-old. I always love it when other moms share activity ideas on their YouTube channels or blogs or whatever. And so hopefully you guys got some good ideas from this vlog. And I just wanna say thank you to everybody who is subscribed to my channel and supporting my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Bye-bye.